Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Meta Pixel with Shopify for ad optimization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Meta Pixel with Shopify for ad optimization, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once you are in your dashboard, navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on Preferences under the online store menu. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section. If you haven't set up a Facebook business account yet, you will need to do this first. In a new tab, visit the Facebook Events Manager. Create your pixel by selecting the Connect Data Sources option and then Web. Choose Facebook Pixel and follow the prompts to generate your pixel. Once you have created your pixel, copy the pixel ID. Return to your Shopify store in the tab you opened earlier. Paste the pixel ID into the designated field in the Facebook Pixel section. After pasting the pixel ID, scroll down and click the Save button. Next, visit the Settings option in the left sidebar of your Shopify dashboard. Select Checkout from the Settings menu. Scroll down to the Order Status page. In the Additional Scripts section, you will add the script for tracking conversions. In the Facebook Events Manager, navigate to the pixel you created. Find the Setup button and select Install Pixel. Choose the option that indicates you will manually add the pixel code. Copy the entire pixel base code provided by Facebook. Now, return to your Shopify store and paste the pixel base code into the Additional Scripts section on the Order Status page. This code will allow you to track conversions effectively. Make sure to save the changes by clicking the Save button again. Your Meta Pixel is now installed on Shopify. To ensure it is working properly, return to the Facebook Events Manager. Use the Test Events feature to confirm that data is being sent from your Shopify store. If the events show up successfully, your installation is complete. Congratulations, you have successfully integrated Meta Pixel with Shopify for ad optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.